Alright everyone, welcome to my Claude tutorial. Now a lot of people using ChatGPT, I wanted to show you an alternative that I think is better for getting more concise answers and is also good for getting really precise writing. So ChatGPT definitely has some advantages where you can paste in things, but I think this is really good for writing. I'm going to show you one of my prompts, which is I asked it for the top B and B niches for YouTube video marketing, because that is what I'll be doing to go ahead and resurrect my channel. But let's go ahead and look and see how we could use this to build a YouTube channel. So give me 5 YouTube channel names for video marketing. So there, we have 5 names. Now I can say focus on the, if I want to have it, the marketing niche. If I want to have affiliate marketing niche, I can do that. So there you go. Write a description for Affiliate Income Lab. For a YouTube channel. Provide me tags to go with that and separate them by comma. And then that's pretty much actually all you need to start a channel. You have the title, you have the description, you have all the tags right there. So that's how you can prompt it and literally get all the information to start a channel. Give me a list of 10 topics I can start with. Nice. So then I just go over to my little AI suite and then make a thumbnail for this, and then we're good to go. But that is literally how you get started on a YouTube channel. You get the title, you get the actual description, you get all of the tags. You can put it in channel tags, and you can put those preset tags, and then you get a list of different topics. Then the last thing I would do is come here, write me a script. Now I wouldn't read this word for word for a YouTube video, but if you really want to, you could. You could put this in a text generator. You could do a million different things with this. You could simply put it and then grab your phone like this and then talk and then go ahead and get a simple editing program like WeVideo, like Sony Vegas, like Camtasia. Well, I guess that Sony Vegas would be a little bit more advanced, but still, you could say some of this, do some of this, put this on a teleprompter, talk about it, and then put it on a YouTube video, edit it up a little bit, and then use a way to generate images, and then, or you could use Canva, and then there you go. You have everything you need for a YouTube channel using Claude in a few seconds. That's pretty amazing. Let me know what you think down below. If you enjoyed this content, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if you found it useful and you want to see more AI tutorials with simple tools, then let me know what you'd like to see down below. Have an amazing day and check out the rest of my videos.